What's going on, Mama?
We're gonna make Dada some breakfast. Bilang walang bukas na tindahan ng ganitong oras. So, grocery ako. Kakamayin ko na lang itong sandwich ni Dad. I'll make him super sandwich.
Man.
Gusto ko sana lagyan ng tomatoes. Kaya lang, hindi niya kalaki yung tomato.
What is this?
Mortadella. Pero parang mali yung accent ko. Parang hindi yata dapat yung accent ng nasa Spain.
Di ba Italian yung accent na ginagawa?
Kaya nga, mali.
That's a lot of dead animals.
Jalapeno.
Naglalawa ako. Wow! Like a sandwich too?
Ay, thank you, thank you.
Wow, ang sandwich.
Wow!
Yeah, man.
Pero,
Judy's Kitchen naman ako on the go.
Yeah.
sure.
Wow!
Ay, bakong natapon.
What is that, cheese?
Yeah, mozzarella. Ay, magkabidiyo.
10-0 pa rin, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, we're not watching the game. We're watching a different
Did you want a sandwich, Jade?
James, pangapat ka sa pila. 1, 2, 3.
What dead animal is that?
Princess Iberico.
That's yours. Get it. It's yours.
May tinamaan na kasi kanina. Yeah, there you
Happy
go.
breakfast.
Yep, for sure.
Thank you, mommy. That's a sandwich.
Nice.